Introducing Slime's new Thru Core tire sealant. It's a quick and easy way to repair a flat tire. It's tire sensor safe, automaker approved, and seals punctures up to 1/4 inch in seconds. This new technology uses nitrogen to push the slime sealant through the valve core and into your tire. To use Thru Core tire sealant, position your vehicle so the tire valve is at 6 o'clock. There's no reason to remove the valve core. Next, turn the can upside down and screw the plastic nozzle onto your tire valve. Allow 30 seconds for the can to discharge fully, then unscrew the nozzle. Slime sealants are non-flammable, non-toxic, and clean up easily with a damp rag. Then just add air with a slime inflator or an air source of your choice. Fill your tire up to its recommended pressure by checking with a tire gauge. You can find your vehicle's recommended pressure by looking on the inside of the driver's side door jamb. Once your tire is inflated to its proper pressure, drive 1/8 of a mile and stop to verify the seal. Drive to the nearest tire store for repair. Slime tire sealant with Thru Core technology. Keep a can handy for emergencies. Don't get caught with a flat.